da ka Jingangnud banwanra ya ka kot khya ka batikana ha ka dong ka thany ka balong ka khubor ka banra ya ka jingsung thu jong ki pajba ba ka jinglet shim ya ki tes lane ka jinglet pen I doktor habadon ki lat ki bayo na ka jingerap jong Sorkar lengba ki jingai jing sumar bat ai dawai lengba ka tanat ka kot khya da ka jinge kersian lang jong ki we ki kenhon ki badon ya ka Jingangnud ban penyo ya ka kot khya kham tam shaki shnong ki ba kham shakandong ki ba jangai na ki jaka ajing sumar jong Sorkar mentak sngi ka Assam Don Bosco University ha ka jingi trelang bat ka wei ka seng Tremon sngewbha ka seng Bhoi Area Welfare Association lani ka bajutip kum ka seng rawa de ka jing penrap bat ka jing ajing kersian jong ki wei ki kenhon ki ba kentup ya ka office jong DMHO Bhoi district ka PA Sangma International Medical College Pynlong ya ka free medical camp lani ka jing ai jing sumar ka jing ai dawai badru ka jing examine ya ki pajba ha ka Shillong Mawtari Myrdon ha ka district Bhoi ha ka bagi pajba ki bodon ha ka thany kilawan bani shim bynta ban wan pha examine nilade da ka bara ya lagi khonret banyo ya ka jing sumar nalor ka jingdon jong gilong kumi ki balai lamlang ya lagi khonret ban shim dawai bat ban pha examine lawan ru ban shim bynta da ki rangba kumju ru ki khon samla la ruban kedo bagane ke jing Pynlong ya kene ke jing ai dawai bat ke jing examen kede ke Jingangnud jong Sorkar Pdeng ban Pynlong ya keri India baro gawai ban yo ya ka koi ka khya khanang banwanra ya ka kiu karoi jong gi paiba ha keri baro gawai ha bai karan bari kong bala kentiu umpa ibdei presiden jong seng rawa ilapan pau ya ke jing sngo komen ban na kapor sakapor na kaliang jong Sorkar ka penmi ya ki bakum kine ki program ki bala Pynlong ya ki paiba ban yo ya kalat ban wan shim jing sumar halagi shnong ki thau klem dadon kam ban siu bat klem dadon kam ban lej sigi jaka ajing sumar ki badan kham che jangai na shnong joki shushu ilong ro ba ya kine ka free medical camp Pynlong tang mentak sngi henry kini ke program kelas dang nadu ka arpo tarik hadu ka laipo tarik uyayong arajar arpsau bad hapen gini gisngi Pynlong ya ki program baper nak bentak ka jing mentoi jong ki paiba ki bakentup nadu ka jing lej rung haman lagi tiluyeng bantip ya ka kot kya jong ki paiba nong shang shnong habayo pat bani karan bad ki armut ki doktor ki balawan ban ajing sumar ha kini gisngi ki bakentup ya doktor Sunil Kar bat ka Dr. Sujata Banek kilapan pau ya ke jengkemen bakila yo ya kalat ban wan ai jingirap shegi pajba jong ki shnong ki badan kham sha kendong namar ka Jingangnud jong ki kum ki nong sumar bereu ba ki pajba ki ban yo ya koi ka khya bat kermen ban lengba jong ne ka jing persang ki bereu ki badan hagre ka thany kin don ha padeng ka koi ka khya bat bakini bet ya biang
nakaliang karawa ni penpau ka Jingangnud ya ka Assam Don Bosco University lengba kini ki kena MSW ki lala ban Pynlong ya ka rural camp ka basdang na do ka arpu tarik hadu laipo tarik jok banai April hajar arpusa te kani ka rural camp lajit ya ka shnong Myrdon Mawtari bakin Pynlong bakin Pynlong ki program baper te kani ka free medical health camp ka balong bynta ka sngi ka de ka we na ka bynta ka jongki ha ka ba kinla ban kintiu ya ka kwat ka khya ha ka ne ka shnong ka thau tinga penpau ka jing sngongu ru ya iba box star CM iba dei I block resource manager jongka umsling CNC ba jongka umsling block rockaway iba la kloi bania trailang bat ni te kumju ru kham tam na ka bynta ka jing khulei sha ka DMHO ringkat ka jing trailang ru jongka PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital te kumju ru ni penpau ka jing khulei ya ka shnong bat ya ki pat nong shnong hi baro ki bala kloi banya trailang banya shim bentalang hakani ka free medical health camp ka bani Pynlong benta ka sngi te hakani ka program free medical health camp niyo ba nakaliang ka DMHO kila pha ya ki staff jongki nadu ki doctor ki nurse nang ta pade ki don ru hangne ki nakaliang ka PM Sangma International Medical College and Hospital ki balawan ya lamru ya ki doctor ki badai ki specialist te ni sngongu kita baro namar klem ki le se kani ka program kan nomlong ka ba seiso kumne kumbakalong niyo ba shibon ki nong shong shnong de ki spa ngut ki la yo jingmentoi deng ba kani ka free medical camp te ni don ru hangne ban ya thu ya phi ba kani ka de ka we na ka benta ba kini ki samla pule jong ka Assam Don Bosco University ki Pynlong ya kata ka participatory program ke jongki bagi kuat ban tip khambha bat bandan kata ka jingya dei bat ka shnong ka thau namar hadin meladap kane ka jingpule ke jongki dei maki ki banlong kita ki nong sandur ya ka shnong ka thau ya ka imlang ka salang kumta ka balong ka badan kam na ka benta jongki ban bakin penlong kum kini ki jai program teringkat ka jingya selang bat ka rawahi nila loi banyadan bentana duk ka aku atarik bat ka ban kut ruha duk ka lai pau tarik hakini ki tayong ban isni bekidan kilala ban penong shibun ki program na duk ki bung visit nangta ki dan ki awareness program ki dan ki sport program ki we pat ki awareness ki bayadei bat ka imlang ka salang ka bakidan kam tam hapo ka shnong tini ai khuble yaki bat ni kit bok kit yang ru yaki bakin nang kiu ha ka jingpule ka jongki pat kumju ru ya ki nong hikai la ne ki professor jong kane ka Assam dan Bosco University ni ai khuble lang ye ki ru kumju te haka bakut hi kane ka jingpulong hi kine ki program baro kadei ba lada ka shnong ka thau jungi ka kiu lada ki pat nong shong shnong jungi ki long ki bakoi bakia te kalawan hangta bakari India jungi ka baro ka wehi kan long ka bakoi bakia pat kan long bakiu ha baro ki liang.
Good afternoon. Myself Dr. Sujata Banik and she is Dr. Ruksana. We have come here in Mawtari village for this camp, free health checkup from Yuhan, that is University Hospital of Ayurveda and Naturopathy, which is a part of USTM, and we have organized a camp, free health camp today on 26th of April, and I'm from Pedia department, she is from gynecology department. So we feel full support and have good health care at our hospital, and approach from all the patients from this place, from Meghalaya, so that we can grow together and provide a good and prosperous life ahead to the patients. Actually, I have served Meghalaya since long. I was earlier there, Shillong, but this side of Meghalaya I visited for the first time, and I have found a good number of patients today, and especially being from pediatric department, there were n number of children. Yes, but there is a great need because most of the children are malnourished, and there is a great need for regular health checkup and regular follow-up at hospitals also. We have also encouraged the mothers and parents to visit at the hospital, and also from this department as I would also like to highlight, we do a program that is Swarna Prashan that we do every month for children. That is an immune boosting program that we do on a fixed day on every month. So for that also, if anyone is interested, they can avail. It is given for 0 to 16 years, and I would really hope the children from this village would be really get benefited from this campaigning also, the Swarna Prashan camp, and also for today's camp. Yes, the viewers who are seeing this video, I would again request, this is in the land of Meghalaya, USTM Yuhan Hospital, and we are promoting Ayurveda and naturopathy together. So it is a natural healing science, so it is a holistic science. We would like to ask people to avail the services, and the services are very cost effective, and it will be for the betterment of our future and of our personal growth.
We are the team of doctors from PS Sangma International Medical College Hospitals. We are conducting an outreach health camp under the coordination of the Health and District Society Medical Office, Bhoi district. So this is an outreach activity. We are planning to give our services to the entire state of Meghalaya. So we have got newly coming up hospitals and a medical college with state-of-the-art facilities. We have got nice OTs, ICUs, inpatients with sophisticated instruments, and with a panel of great doctors who have recently joined us. So we desire that the entire state of Meghalaya should know about it, and they should be availing those services, and will be very much concessional rates. That is most important, and since it is newly coming up, most of the people does not know about it. So I request the entire district officials and the media persons to at least pass on the message so that people in Meghalaya can avail the services which we are providing at a nominal rate. We have got OT services, we have got outdoors, we have got all specialized departments. We are planning to give super specialties in due course of time, and our doctors are joining day by day. Medical college, we are having a MOU with the government. We have got a Nongpoh CSC as our rural health training center under Department of Community Medicine. So we have already conducted one camp in Umsling few days back, and it's a continuation process. We're conducting this in due course of time also. So we have, like the people here, their interactions are very good, and we expect that why should people facing this hardship when they've got a very nice sophisticated healthcare delivery center very nearby. In fact, we can in the due course of time we can also provide vehicles for transportation services for patients to be shifted from these remote areas to our hospitals. So that for that people has to know about it and has to come up forward.